Openbravo is a commercial open-source software company. The head office of Openbravo S.L is located in Pamplona, Spain. Openbravo has also offices in Barcelona, Paris, Mexico, DF and Kolkata. The company is responsible for the development of two products, Openbravo Commerce Suite and Openbravo Business Suite. For the worldwide distribution and implementations of its software, Openbravo relies heavily on its partner network. Openbravo is a multiple-time winner of Infoworld's Bossie Award for Best Open Source Software Application, last awarded in August 2014. History: Openbravo's roots are in the development of business administration software, first developed by two employees of the University of Navarra, Nicolas Serrano and Ismael Saordia. They were both involved in the mid-1990s in developing the management of the university. They used emerging Internet technologies while doing their work, and subsequently introduced a new approach for web applications. Their concept was realized in a new company called Technicia, founded in August 2001 by Serrano, Saordia, and Agur Naga. In 2005, two management consultants, Manuel Soriza and Josep Maitja, were asked by a venture capital company to evaluate Technicia and prepare a business plan for its evolution. In 2006, the two consultants joined Technicia as the CEO and COO respectively. Around the same time, the Spanish investment company Sedena invested $6.4 million in the further development of the company. In 2006, the company was renamed Openbravo and the first product launched was Openbravo ERP. The code was open-sourced on April same year. In 2007, the company announced the acquisition of Libre POS, a Java-based point-of-sale application for the retail and hospitality businesses. Libre POS was rebranded as Openbravo POS. In May 2008, Openbravo attracted three more investors, Amadeus, GIMV and Adera, for a second investment round totaling $12.5 million. This investment launched Openbravo as one of the leading open-source companies with substantial resources to further develop its products and services. In July 2012, Openbravo launched Openbravo for Retail, a vertical solution for the retail industry including the Openbravo Web POS, a new POS solution that replaced the previous Openbravo Java POS. Openbravo Web POS is a web, mobile and responsive POS solution. In March 2014, Openbravo ERP was renamed to Openbravo ERP Platform and Openbravo for Retail renamed to Openbravo Commerce Platform. In May 2015, the Openbravo Commerce Platform and Openbravo ERP Platform were renamed to Openbravo Commerce Suite and Openbravo Business Suite. Openbravo announces its strategic focus in retail. Openbravo also launches the Openbravo Subscription Management and Recurring Billing, a specialized solution for recurring transactions-based revenue models. Business and markets: as of 2015, Openbravo is present in more than 60 countries through its global partner network. Openbravo targets today mid-sized to large organizations seeking for a complete solution to manage the entire business or very specific solutions that help to improve existing legacy systems. Openbravo focuses its strategy in retail with its Openbravo Commerce Suite. Products Openbravo ERP Openbravo ERP was the first product launched by Openbravo. It is a web-based ERP business solution for small and medium-sized companies that is released under the Openbravo public license. Based on the Mozilla public license, the model for the program was originally based on the Compere ERP program that is also open source, released under the GNU General Public License version 2. The program is among the top 10 most active projects of SourceForge as of January 2008. Using Openbravo ERP, organizations can automate and register most common business processes. The following processes are supported: sales, procurement, manufacturing, projects, finance, MRP and more. Numerous commercial extensions are available on the Openbravo Exchange which can be procured by users with a commercial edition of Openbravo ERP. This paid-for version offers additional functionality compared to the free community edition. Characteristic of the Openbravo ERP application is the green web interface through which users maintain company data in a web browser. Openbravo can also create and export reports and data to several formats, such as PDF and Microsoft Excel. Openbravo's Java-based architecture focuses on two development models: model-driven development, in which developers describe the application in terms of models rather than code; model view controller, a well-established design pattern in which the presentation logic and the business logic are kept isolated. These two models allow for integration with other programs and for a simple interface. Because of the application of open standards, Openbravo ERP can be integrated with other open-source applications like Magento WebShop, Pentaho Business Intelligence, Process Maker BPM, LaFerry Portal and Sugar CRM. In March 2014, Openbravo ERP was renamed to Openbravo ERP Platform, which was changed again to Openbravo Business Suite in May 2015. Openbravo Java POS equals. Openbravo POS was the first POS solution offered by Openbravo. It is a Java point-of-sale application for retail and hospitality businesses. The application came into existence called Tina POS. For legal reasons, the application was renamed to Libre POS. In 2007, Libre POS was acquired by Openbravo and it is known by its current name. The program was completely integrated into Openbravo ERP. Through this integration, it was possible to update stock levels, financial journals and customer data directly in the central database when a POS sales is executed in the stores. Openbravo POS can be applied using PDAs for order intake. In July 2012, Openbravo launched its new POS solution, the Openbravo Web POS, included in the Openbravo Commerce Suite and which replaced the Openbravo Java POS. Openbravo Business Suite equals. The Openbravo Business Suite was launched in May 2015, replacing the previous Openbravo ERP platform. It is a global management solution built on top of the Openbravo technology platform, including horizontal ERP, CRM and BI functionality for across industries. See latest confirmed stable release in Business Suite release notes. Openbravo Commerce Suite equals. The Openbravo Commerce Suite is the Openbravo solution for retailers. It is a multi-channel retail management solution including a responsive web and mobile POS backed by a comprehensive functionality for merchandise management, supply chain management and enterprise management. See latest confirmed stable release in Openbravo Commerce Suite release notes. Openbravo Web POS. Openbravo Web POS was launched in 2012, included in the Openbravo for Retail solution. It is a responsive web and mobile POS solution, the core component of the functionality for physical stores. Openbravo Technology Platform equals. The Openbravo Technology Platform lies at the heart of all Openbravo solutions. It is a modular, mobile-enabled and cloud-ready platform providing the core set of technologies that allow extending Openbravo to fit companies' needs or developing completely new enterprise solutions. Openbravo Mobile. Looking for the best HTML5 framework for Openbravo Mobile, they decided to choose Enyo for both its Openbravo Web POS and its mobile solution. Openbravo Analytics. Openbravo Analytics is an embedded analytics engine that provides business intelligence capabilities to Openbravo solutions. It provides the infrastructure necessary to create analytical cubes and reports. It combines the power of high-performing open-source business intelligence components from Pamplona and Psycha allied with the Openbravo user interface to provide a fully integrated analytics solution. Openbravo Subscription Management and Recurring Billing equals. A commercial solution for companies with recurring billing revenue models, including functionality from pricing definition to automatic revenue recognition and accounting. Languages equals. Openbravo's user interface is available in multiple languages like English, Spanish, French, Italian or Brazilian amongst others. Missing features equals. Payroll system, quality management. Subscription and licensing model equals. Openbravo solutions are distributed under a subscription-based model. Customers subscribe a number of users and/or POS terminals, bundled with a pack of services and additional options into two different commercial editions, Openbravo Professional Edition, for a limited number of users and/or terminals. with standard support and maintenance included. Access to commercial functionality. Openbravo Enterprise Edition, for mid-size and larger clients that require a substantial number of users and/or terminals, with the most advanced features and the highest level of support. Customers can subscribe additional users and/or POS terminals as well as additional functionality packaged as extension modules. Examples of extension modules are country localizations, connectors like with Sugar CRM or tools developed by Openbravo or partners. In addition to the commercial editions, a community edition exists for free, with a limited set of capabilities available and without professional support available from Openbravo and its partners. Openbravo products are distributed under the following licenses: Openbravo Public License for non-commercial modules. Openbravo Commercial License for commercial modules. GNU GPL for Openbravo Java POS. See also, Enterprise Resource Planning, List of ERP software packages, Enyo, Compere, Idempierre. References. External links, Official Openbravo Wiki, Official Openbravo YouTube channel, Official Openbravo English Twitter profile, Official Openbravo Spanish Twitter profile, Official Openbravo Facebook page, Official Openbravo LinkedIn page, Official Openbravo BrightOrg channel, Openbravo Strategic Roadmap June 2015, Openbravo Business Suite in SourceForge, Official Saiku webpage, Community for Dutch Openbravo users, German Openbravo fork.